God bless you in Jesus' name. Welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so I'll be your tutor today. So I want to teach you how to play the intro of the song See by Orienze. That where it fits Dunsin, Oyekan and Nathaniel Bassey. You brought me that Lord have come to worship you. Okay, so the intro goes the melody line goes, see how far you brought me, Lord, I've come to worship you. So that's a 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 7, 1. So let's look at the chords. So let's start on 4. C, your 4 chord 5, C, 4, 2. 4 to 1. 4. So I have a mi, mi, that 2. You've brought. So you do them like brought me. Brought. So we have a 6 and your 4 on your left hand. Let's get again from the top. See for that you brought. So we have a 6 and 4. Brought me. So we have a la fa ti sha. So then we have a la. So we have a so we have a C sharp major here, because I think the song was on F sharp. Yeah, I'm blessed. So we have a C sharp major 7, E flat major 7 to the 2 on F sharp, which is a 2, 1, 4. A stretch. You can just do this if your hand cannot pick this, your left hand. So see how far you brought me, that Lord I come to 5. You have a do, father, then resolve shape. So you create a tension on 5, you resolve it, she, you. Okay, so that's it. So let's add some twist. So this is pretty normal. See how far you brought me. So you can do this voicing. So you can do. So you can do this. So we have a. Let me just call the tonic about T. So T, re, so la, la, adila. So you can use this voicing. It makes sense. It sounds open, fat, and wide. So we have a G. The first one is F. So the first one is F, C sharp, F on left. The second one is G, E flat, G, then to A flat and F sharp. So let me do the right hand also. Right hand we have a C sharp sus 4, sus 2 rather. Or you say A flat sus 4. So La, so the same thing for B flat sus 4. La, then from 2 you go to 4, then to 5. Worship you. And you also do Lord, I've come to worship you. So you can do this. So you the C sharp both ends are holding you. You go C sharp to C, Then you go, when you get to second, you go E flat to D, then to worship. So don't forget, it's not a taboo to watch over and over. If you didn't get this, you should watch it again. Yeah, it's not a taboo. You can watch a video for as long as you can. If you truly have that passion to learn, like you claim, you'll be able to watch it over and over till you get it. All right, so God bless you. Click the subscribe button for many more tutorials on this channel. I love you. All right.